In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax automatically with Wix. First, a quick overview. Setting up sales tax correctly ensures your store stays compliant and your customers see accurate totals at checkout. Wix makes this easier by letting you manage tax from one place, and in many regions, it can calculate the right rate automatically once your business location is set. Start on your site's dashboard. From here, head to Settings. This is your control center for store policies, payments, shipping, and of course, taxes. If you don't see it right away, look for it in the main menu on the left. Inside Settings, select Tax. Depending on your version, it may appear as Sales Tax or Tax and VAT, but it leads to the same place. This page is where you'll define where you collect fees and how it's applied to orders. Begin by adding your location. Enter your primary business location first, since this is what Wix uses to determine the rules that apply to your store. If you collect tax in more than one place, add each location where you have tax obligations. In many areas, simply entering your business location enables Wix to calculate rates automatically at checkout, so you don't have to maintain changing percentages yourself. If your region isn't supported for automatic calculation, or if you prefer, you can enter specific tax rates manually for the locations you added. Next, review and edit your tax settings. Decide when tax is applied, such as based on the customer's shipping address, or another rule that suits your operations. Choose whether tax is included in your product prices or added at checkout. Tax-inclusive pricing can make totals feel more transparent to customers, while tax-exclusive pricing keeps product pages cleaner and shows the tax line separately at checkout. Also check whether shipping is taxable in your region and set that accordingly. If you sell digital goods or have items that are tax-exempt, adjust those settings so only the correct products are taxed. As you make changes, keep an eye on any notes Wix provides about how the settings affect your checkout. When you're done, save your changes. That's all there is to it. With your locations added and your tax preferences set, Wix will apply the right sales tax automatically at checkout for supported regions. Keep your business details up to date if you expand into new areas, and review your setup periodically to stay aligned with local rules. You're now ready to charge sales tax confidently and accurately.